In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix uncategorized transactions in QuickBooks. If you've noticed uncategorized income or uncategorized expense showing up in your books, don't worry. This usually just means QuickBooks needs a little help assigning certain transactions to the correct account. Cleaning this up is important because it makes your financial reports more accurate and gives you a clearer picture of how your business is really performing. To get started, go to QuickBooks and make sure you're on your main dashboard. From there, click on Reports. This is where you can review the financial data behind your transactions and quickly spot anything that needs attention. Next, open the Profit and Loss report. This report is especially useful because it summarizes your income and expenses, so uncategorized items are easy to identify here. Once the report loads, look through the list for either uncategorized income or uncategorized expense, depending on what needs to be corrected in your file. When you find that row, click the total dollar amount shown on that line. Doing this opens the transaction detail report, which breaks that total down into the individual transactions that are causing the issue. This makes it much easier to track down exactly what needs to be fixed instead of trying to search manually. Now click on one of the individual transactions in the detail report to open the original form. Inside that transaction, find the category or account drop-down field. This is the key area you'll update. Change the current uncategorized selection to the correct account for that transaction based on how it should be recorded in your business. For example, if it's income, choose the appropriate income account, and if it's an expense, choose the matching expense account. Take a moment here to make sure the account you choose is accurate. Choosing the right category helps keep your reporting clean and can save time later when reviewing your books or preparing for tax season. Once you've updated the account, click Save and Close. Then go back and repeat the same process for the remaining transactions listed in the detail report until all uncategorized items have been corrected. After you finish, your profit and loss report should reflect cleaner, more accurate categories. This is a simple fix, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your bookkeeping. If you stay on top of these uncategorized transactions regularly, your QuickBooks file will be much easier to manage over time.